I'm Tim Marran, the chainflex product manager here at igus, and today we're at our IMPS booth talking about some of our new products that we've recently released. Today we're going to focus on our CF98.PLUS and CF99.PLUS, a shielded and unshielded control cable series. There's two main benefits that we've been able to achieve with this cable. The first is a very low bend radius. We can go down to as low as 3 times the diameter of the cable, and what that means in your cable carrier application is essentially instead of a larger bend radius or a larger curve height for your E-chain, what we can do is reduce that curve height with a smaller bend radius E-chain, which allows for a more compact design on your machine and in your equipment. The second benefit and bonus to this CF98 and 99+ new series that we're offering is that we've tested it for over 10 years and been able to achieve 100 million cycles. And that means we stand behind it with our 36-month cable guarantee so that you have peace of mind knowing exactly how long this cable will last in your application. To find out how much of a reduced profile this could mean for your application, click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.